this is inside the lifeboat, how it looks like. So we have a life jacket just right under the seat, in every seat, so we have more than enough life jacket over here. And we have a seaside bag also, and some sticks. It's mentioned here rainwater, so we're collecting water from the rain. And this is the windows, they can open and close the windows also here. And we have some rope over here. We have knocks, emergency tiller disconnecting steering for use. I don't really understand what is that. And also there's the main, the driver will be. We have a paddles and counter. We're moving in the forward. We have another axe over there and also another ropes. Helmets and PPE. There's all general instruction what happened in case of emergency. And we have also so what else we can find over here? We're supposed to have water and some biscuit. That's a little bit food, seasick pills, you know, and also the fire extinguisher is right here. We have 2 of them, right? And another one. And this is a Lifeboat light. Okay. There is a container also inside here on the floor. I cannot open that one. So this lifeboat also, it can be converted to tender boat. So if we use this one, for example, in the Half Moon Cay, we're gonna use our tender boat or any tender port. It can be used also as a tender boat, right? Okay. There is some compartment here down here also. I don't know what is inside there exactly, but I cannot open it right now. Okay. So the steering, the driver is here on the top, right? Okay. I don't know how to drive this boat. I never trained to drive a boat, but it's gonna be pretty cool, yeah? So in case we have machine failure, engine failure, and we have 4 paddles to drive the boat, to push the boat manually. Alright, so this tender boat can contain 150 people maximum. And we sit it very close to each other, and we have here the social distancing protocol. So here, in case we use this one for tender boat, and they need to be in social distance, of course, still. But when in case of emergency, it's gonna be different story, right? What's it? Sometime vlog. Shout out!